Hello everyone and welcome back. So today I'm making this video because I have an update for my Accord Hybrid 2020 model. So some of you guys probably remember I made a video before about the rumbling noises that the car makes, the vibration noises when you bought the car, and usually it does only when it's like colder weather. So I get to my dealer and they told me the fix was the microphone that time, and it's pretty much I think 9-8 months. So right now my Android Auto was not working a couple of days ago, so I went there and get it checked that, and then I also mentioned this rumbling noise that's happened. But when they fixed the issue with those microphone, and they said this was the fix with that, but the new fix was something else. The guy told me, who was the mechanic there, he told me the new fix is this: the ANC unit, they have to replace that, which is in the glove box. So it's there. So this is the new fix, guys. So if you have replaced your get it replaced your microphone, I would suggest go get the new fix, which is probably gonna be in your warranty. So why not just get it fixed before your warranty expired? And I think this is the new fix because they have done with other vehicles too, and this was the actual fix, because when I get fixed my vehicle, that time after that my vehicle did that uh, rumbling noises, and like, it comes from like speakers. And so they mentioned that it's a ANC unit. Let me show you. I have a picture. They said ordered ANC. So I'm gonna be getting replaced on 29th of July, which which is the date when they will get the part. So I will replace it. As you can see, it's mentioned vacuum making booming noise at the time when driving, noise from speaker caused by not up to date software, and ANC unit. So they ordered the ANC unit. I'm not sure about the software update, why did not do it, but they said that time that they replaced the microphone. Some of the microphone, they have to like create the artificial noises. So as you can see, this is from Lindsay. So they said that time that they replaced the microphones. That was the issue with it, but I still had those noises after that fix. So yeah, just guys, just letting you know, guys. So if you have a 2020 Accord and if you are still in warranty, why not get this unit replaced? And there is another AC condenser leaking in some of the models are going on right now, and they are recalling those and they're replacing it and like fixing it for free. But so far I did not have any issue with that. They already checked the AC unit. So yeah, if you guys are infected with that, they already extended warranty for that system, so you can check with your dealer also for that. So that was the motive to make this video. I will probably guys see you in the next one if I have any update regarding my 2020 Accord. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.